Alrighty guys, what is up? My name is Colin Bracken, and today I'm bringing you guys a video towing my fifth wheel camper. It is a 2014 Stellar FSS 33G, so it is 40 feet in length. Gross vehicle weight rating is 16,500. Pin weight sitting right at about 2,800, and we are using an Andersen Gooseneck Adapter for a short bed in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing my old truck, which is my 2015 F250 Super Duty 3/4 ton truck with bags, full Bilstein shocks, leveling kit, 22x12s, 35s, the whole nine. I'll put a video link right here for a full overview of the truck if you do want to see it, or if you want to see some towing with that. This is my first actual haul with the truck. Since I bought it, we do have 2,900 miles on it, so our transmission is broken in just fine. They recommend 1,000 miles before hooking up a heavy load to it. So a couple things that we've got done to the truck, suspension wise, we've got a 2.5 inch ready lift leveling kit. We've got Fox shocks on the front. We've got stock shocks on the back. We have 24x14 KG1 forged wheels. We've got 35-inch tires. If you guys are interested in seeing more of this stuff, go ahead and drop a subscribe right now on the channel. Don't forget to hit the like on this video and comment so that we know what to look for in future content. It's the anti-trailer sway control. It came on while we were driving down here, and Sam was helping record the video, and it threw us from one side of the lane to the other, and it made the trailer sway even worse. And the trailer wasn't even swaying that bad to start, but as soon as that trailer sway assist control kicked on, it made it way worse. Another thing I don't like about it is that we don't have bags yet. I wanted to make a before and after video on towing with bags, so here's me saying that you should be using bags if you're towing a big load, especially a fifth wheel camper. If you're towing anything like a bumper pull camper, you can use a bumper pull camper with bags to reduce some of the sway as well, but it really just helps level that load out. It keeps all four wear on your tires even. It keeps a lot of that unnecessary weight off of the back of your rear axle. You know, a whole bunch of benefits there. This automatic engine brake is awesome. I do have it set, so pretty much as soon as you let off the throttle at, say, 65 miles an hour, because that's what we're doing down this grade right now, as soon as you let off, it's either going to bring you a little bit slower to a stop, or if you have your cruise control on, it's going to help you. Wow, look at that. Big F350, F450 dually with an XLR. Man, Fords are just incredible. Fords pull the biggest campers on the road. If you agree, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, anyway, really overall, I mean, I can't even say that this truck tows a lot better than my 2015 6.7. My 2015 6.7 had bags, had suspension, had a tune-in, had some weight loss going on, if you know what I'm saying. It was fully set up, and it pulled this thing just great. Even pulled the trailer behind that really well. Big upgrades on the 10-speed. I really like how it holds a grade a little bit better. Doesn't lug out as much, doesn't blow as much smoke. Other than that, I mean, really, they're about the same. The lane assist, like lane departure assist, does really well. Even with a camper, it kind of lets you know if you're starting to swerve, so that's a really good feature that this truck has that my last one didn't. Another feature that this truck has that my last truck didn't was the FX4 package, so we do have a little lower gearing in that rear axle. But also we have a dual sunroof, and you can see my name on the top of my camper out the sunroof, so I think that's really rad. Yeah, overall, I think Ford did a great job with this truck. I think really nowadays you can't go wrong buying any truck. Any new truck is going to pull really well. Just make sure that it's suited for the camper that you're pulling. Make sure that you've got the payload capacity. Make sure that you can stop it. Make sure all your connections are hooked up properly. And most importantly, make sure that your load is leveled out properly. When you are off level with your load, you're going to have a lot more trailer sway. Even with a fifth wheel, it can be really bad coming down hills or just when you catch a huge gust of wind as it is. So thank you guys for joining on with us. If you guys have anything that I missed or I forgot or anything like that, go ahead and drop it down in the comments, or let me know what you guys want to see in future videos, because I bought this 2020 Powerstroke to make videos for you guys. So if there's any content that you guys think I'm missing out on, I should be making, go ahead and drop it down in the comments. Thank you guys again for watching today's video, and we'll hope to see you on the next one. Peace out.